In a world where video content dominates, having a tool like Invideo can be a game changer. This isn't just another video creation platform, it's a game changer, a digital revolution. It's the secret weapon that every content creator needs in their arsenal to produce high-quality videos with ease and efficiency. Imagine being able to take your ideas and transform them into captivating videos, without the steep learning curve or the time-consuming process that typically comes with video production. Now, this isn't some distant dream. It's a tangible reality thanks to Invideo. With its user-friendly interface, vast library of templates and advanced editing features, Invideo empowers everyone from budding vloggers to seasoned marketers to craft their visual narratives in a way that's not just easy, but also fun. Effortless, efficient, and exceptional. That's the power of Invideo in your hands. Invideo is more than a video creation tool, it's a canvas for your imagination. As we delve into the fascinating world of Invideo, you'll discover a plethora of features designed to make your video creation experience a breeze. First off, let's talk about the extensive library of templates. With thousands of pre-designed templates, Invideo makes it incredibly easy for you to find the perfect fit for your video theme. Whether you're working on a promotional video, a tutorial, or even a short film, there's a template that will cater to your needs. Now let's move on to the easy-to-use editing tools. Invideo has a user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate with ease. You can trim clips, add filters, adjust brightness and contrast, and do much more without having to contend with a steep learning curve. The best part, these tools are so intuitive that you'll feel like a professional video editor in no time. Next up is the text-to-video feature. This unique tool allows you to transform your written content into engaging videos. Imagine turning your blog posts or articles into captivating videos that can be shared across various platforms. The text-to-video feature makes this possible, and it's as easy as copy-pasting your text and letting Invideo do the rest. Lastly, we have the transition effects. These effects are the icing on the cake, adding a touch of finesse to your videos. With a myriad of options to choose from, you can create smooth transitions between scenes, making your video flow seamlessly from start to finish. These features of Invideo, along with many others, are designed to enhance your video content, making it not only visually appealing, but also engaging. They provide you with the tools you need to express your creativity and bring your ideas to life in the most captivating way possible. With Invideo, the only limit is your creativity. Invideo believes in empowering every creator, regardless of their budget. It offers a variety of pricing options, each with its unique features and benefits. For those dipping their toes in the world of video creation, there's a free option packed with essential tools. Then, we have the premium plans, stepping up with more advanced tools. And finally, the unlimited plan for those seeking no boundaries in creativity. Remember, Invideo provides value for every penny spent, ensuring that your investment in your content doesn't go to waste. In the end, it's not about the tool, but what you create with it. And with Invideo, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting stories. From the comprehensive features to the varied pricing options, it's clear that Invideo is a versatile and efficient tool for content creators of all kinds. Whether you're making a short clip or a full-length film, Invideo has the power to bring your ideas to life. Turn your vision into reality with Invideo. The world is waiting to see your story. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It lets us know we're hitting the mark and helps others discover this content too. And if you want to stay in the loop with more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of our future content. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the world is waiting to see your story with Invideo. We'll see you in the next video.